Okay, before we can try these MREs, we have to make them. So we're gonna open this one up. This is pork sausage patty, maple flavored. And I happen to know this is my family member's favorite one. They will eat it right out of the package. But like things in a can, it tastes better heated up most of the time. All right. Oh, I don't even need scissors. It's a peelable seal. Ooh. All right, so inside the package is another package. All right. And inside this package are more packages. This is the hot beverage bag. What do we have here? This is the pork sausage patty, maple. This is some kind of a...
Hot Pocket.
Hot Pocket? Yes, it looks like a Hot Pocket. It tells you about how military rations are good performance meals. Food gives you energy. The more energy you burn, the more food you need. Yes, so this tells you all about energy. That's pretty informative. I think these are the extra stuff. Ooh, a napkin. This looks like chewing gum. Matches, moist towelette, sugar, sweet, salt, instant coffee, and creamer for your coffee. Then we have the heater. This is how you can make the food warmer. And inside it has some things that activate with water, which we have here. Ooh, this one came with a nut raisin mix. This says it's a maple muffin TFF. I don't know what that means. Cheese spread, crackers, orange beverage powder, no fruit juice. Oh, and stuck to the back, table syrup. It's a lot of packages. Oh, and I was lucky enough to get a spoon. Now, most of them will come with a spoon, and if you're lucky, some of them will come with a spoon, a fork, and a knife. But I only got a spoon.
I am opening Mexican-style chicken stew. I was told we don't need scissors to open these because if you're in the field, I assume you might not have scissors. So we're just gonna see if we can open it. And I'm a weakling and I can't. And I'm gonna cheat a little. All right, we have our heating unit, ground red pepper, a spoon, chocolate hazelnut cocoa. Ooh, that's gonna be delicious. Vegetable crackers, probably less delicious. Peanut butter, M&Ms, and then we have another packet that contains gum, a towelette, beverage-based raspberry sugar-free, a towel, and salt as I throw things. We also have cheese-filled pretzels, cheddar flavored, mango peach applesauce, ooh, our Hot Pocket container holder, and our Mexican chicken stew. So I am pretty excited about the ingredients of this MRE. Let's get ready to make it. I don't know why. So now that we have our MRE open, we're gonna make it. The first thing we're going to do is open our heater. I'm going to take out the heating unit in it so that I can fill the appropriate amount of water. And on the package are two lines. We're going to try and get the water between those lines. We'll see how this goes. Water. I poured so much water in it. But once it's actually open, pretty close. So we'll put our heating unit and bag of stew into this pouch. Get it all the way in. All the way, go, go. And then we want the heating unit all the way down, and then we're gonna fold it over the top. Now, we're gonna put it in our packet sleeve. In it goes. Yay. And then we'll fold the bottom over. And now, we just wait 10 to 15 minutes and our MRE Mexican style chicken stew will be ready.